Hi, I'm David, technical trainer at Robotiq. Today we're going to do a technical overview of Robotiq's latest vacuum gripper, PowerPick Multi. This video aims to give you a clear understanding of its features, configurations, and to show you the documentations and tools that are available. PowerPick Multi is a dual-channel gripper that is designed, tested, and optimized for palletizing applications with a robot. Its high flexibility is meant to simplify setups by reducing and eliminating downtime, and to make multi-pick applications easier than ever. It is compatible with the existing X and Z extensions, but they are less likely to be required due to its optimized size and shape. At only 4.2 kilos, it leaves a lot of room for heavy boxes to be picked. This setup will be able to handle 20.8 kilos or 45 pounds on a UR20 and 30.8 kilos or 67 pounds on a UR30. Its straightforward setup ensures the right balance between advanced control and vacuum feedback, power, and easy integration with your system. Now let's talk about the suction cups that are a central part of the PowerPick Multi gripper system. PowerPick Multi is supplied by default with double bellow suction cups. This setup adapts better for uneven surfaces or non-uniform boxes. For better results when leveraging the full payload on a UR30, we recommend switching to single bellow suction cups. No need to worry about boxes only partially covering some cups or overhanging the gripper. All of these scenarios were part of the gripper design. If you look closely at the bottom face of the PowerPick Multi gripper, you will notice this array of threaded holes. They are provided for adding stabilizing plates or any custom device that the end user might require or want to add. Stability plates are particularly useful to facilitate triple picks or increase the stability of larger or heavier boxes, especially in multi-pick applications. Stability plates will also help damp the oscillation effect that might occur for double or triple picks. The suction cups provided with PowerPick Multi contain a check valve. When left uncovered by the surface of the box, it will automatically shut off, stopping all leakage and concentrating the vacuum power on the cups that are in full contact with the box. Remember to check the corresponding option in the URCap. The robot will then apply a minimum force on the box to ensure a good seal, even with imperfect boxes. To offer a reliable grip, it is important to ensure that at least 6 suction cups from each activated zones are in contact with the box when picking. Therefore, when it comes to positioning, the basic strategy is to center the box or group of boxes on the gripper or on the zone that is being used. Note that it might sometimes be necessary to offset the box. Here's the updated vacuum gripper product sheet exposing PowerPick Multi possibilities and specifications. Our online configurator has also been updated to showcase the features of this new gripper. PowerPick Multi is now prioritized if multiple options are possible for simplicity and future-proof reasons. Note that it is still possible to force the choice of any gripper from the settings menu. When the current simulation uses PowerPick, you can click on the information icon to see a valid positioning of the gripper on the box, optimizing the number of active suction cups, reach, and overall stability. Note that you might have to add that offset from the settings menu of the URCap. You will also find a quick quote tool. Installing PowerPick on a robot is very easy. Simply mount the manifold and gripper using the provided M8 screws with a 6mm X key. You will notice that there are 2 electric cables to connect. The vacuum feedback sensors are connected at the wrist, and the power and outputs are supplied via a cable that runs along the robot arm and is connected in the universal robot's controller. Compressed air, 80 to 100 psi or 5 to 7 bar, is connected directly at the head of the gripper. PowerPick Multi is a very low maintenance gripper. All you need to check is the wear of the suction cups. It is also a good practice to add a short, regular blow-off action in your program to keep the cups, check valves, and mesh filters free from dust. This can be done by simply keeping that option checked from the release action of the URCap or by using a related blow-off output. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to connect with an application expert for further details and a personalized one-on-one training session and demo for this new product.